How to solve the vibration in AK series gimbal tutorial. The perfect balance state after adjusting gravity center of camera. Before power on. Tilt rolling axis. Put the gimbal on the table. Turn the camera towards any position. It will stay there without holding by hand. Panning axis. Holding the handle horizontally, vertical arm can stay parallel to the ground. Vibration issue 1. After the camera well balanced, turn the gimbal on. It starts vibration for a short while and then works normal. Short vibration is a special auto adjustment feature for different cameras. It starts vibration for about 5 seconds after turning on and disappears when the auto adjustment of motor dynamic is done. Short vibration is normal phenomenon for auto adjustments. Vibration issue 2. Turn the gimbal on after well balanced the camera. AK2000 or 4000 gimbal keeps vibration with some noise. If the gimbal is well balanced, the factor of vibration may be the motor dynamic is much more bigger than what the camera is needed. Please choose proper motor dynamic range on display to fit for your camera. Or choose Auto Adapt in payload setting and then restart the gimbal. Make the Auto Adapt feature work to fit for your camera. Note: after auto adapting, please restart the gimbal to make the setting work. Vibration issue 3. AK2000 or 4000 works fine in regular hand way, but it vibrates in inverse handle way or special holding way with some noise. Step 1. Please refer the balanced state at the beginning of the video to check whether the gimbal is well balanced. Step 2. If the gimbal is well balanced, it happened because there are some differences of contact positions between regular holding way and the inverse special holding way. Please check whether the camera is properly mounted. Check whether the camera is firmly tightened with thumb screw. The lens support frame is close enough to the lens. Move the mounting plate close to its axis as possible as you can. Step 3. After checking the camera is being mounted and tightened firmly, please choose Auto Adapt in payload setting, and then restart the gimbal to Auto Adapt proper motor dynamic to fit for your camera. Step 4. If you did all the steps, the vibration is still not fixed, please follow the tutorial to update the latest firmware of the gimbal with app.